Oh no! The bus just left!
Were you trying to catch that bus too?
Yes! I ran as fast as I could, but I was too late!
That's frustrating. Those doors closed really quickly.
I know. And now I'm gonna be late for work.
Don't worry. I think another bus comes in about 10 minutes.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yeah, this route is usually pretty frequent in the morning.
I should have left home earlier today.
Honestly, morning traffic makes everything unpredictable.
That's true. The roads were completely packed today.
Same here. My taxi barely moved for 20 minutes.
Hopefully the next bus won't be crowded.
It probably will be, but at least we'll get to work eventually.
I guess you're right.
Look, I think the next bus is already coming.
Oh yes! Finally!
Let's make sure we don't miss this one too.
Hi, can I get a cup of coffee, please? Sure, what kind of coffee would you like? I'm not really sure. What do you recommend? Our caramel latte is very popular. That sounds good. Is it very sweet? It's sweet, but not too strong. Most customers like it. All right, I'll try that. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? Medium, please. Would you like hot or iced coffee? Iced, please. It's really hot outside today. True, the weather is crazy today. Yeah, I've been sweating all morning. I completely understand. Anything else with your coffee? Maybe a chocolate muffin, too. Great choice. Your total is $7.50. Here you go. Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Perfect, thanks. You're welcome. Hi, you must be the new employee.
Yes, today is actually my first day.
Welcome to the team. I'm Alexa.
Nice to meet you, Alexa. I'm Daniel.
Are you excited or nervous?
Honestly, a little bit of both.
That's completely normal on the first day.
I hope I can learn everything quickly.
Don't worry. Everyone here is very helpful.
That's good to hear.
Have they shown you around the office yet?
Not yet. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
All right. I can show you around before the meeting starts.
Really? Thanks. I'd appreciate that.
No problem. The kitchen is over there, and the meeting room is on the second floor.
The office looks really modern.
Yeah, it's a nice place to work.
I'm excited to start working here.
I think you'll enjoy it. Everyone is pretty friendly.
That makes me feel much more comfortable already.